Hi, this is Majid Raimi and you're watching part 17 of our classical technical analysis course. You can reach the first video of this course here. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and the notification bell under this video if you're interested in such a subject. In this video, we are going to talk about major trend lines. We will see the differences between arithmetic and logarithmic scales. Then we will see how we can draw major trend lines in different types of stocks or pairs, and then we will see some examples of major trend lines. In previous videos, we talked about short-term and intermediate trend lines, but we didn't mention arithmetic or logarithmic scales, because we believe in short-term or intermediate vision, it doesn't matter which scale you're going to use, because the result is the same. For example, look at these two pictures. I draw a trend line in logarithmic scales and then I change the scale into arithmetic in TradingView website. You can see that I didn't even need to readjust my trend line in new scale and there is little difference between them. And final breakout happens in the same candle. But we see the difference in major trend lines and it depends to the stock and the market we're going to analyze. We can divide our major trend lines into four types by looking at long-term behavior of what we are going to trade. Let's look at major uptrend lines in these four types. In the first type, we have some sort of stocks or other tradable charts which show accelerating curve in arithmetic scale and straight trend in logarithmic scale. So it would be better to use logarithmic scale for these charts, which can give us better prediction sight about future movements. The second type is showing us straight trend manner in arithmetic scale, and as a consequence, we expect decelerating curve in logarithmic scale. For analyzing this type, arithmetic scale will give us a better perspective. The third type tend to show decelerating curve even in arithmetic scale. So they decelerate more in logarithmic scale. And the last type is not accelerating that much in arithmetic scale to give us a straight trend in logarithmic one. So we have accelerating curve in arithmetic scale and decelerating curve in logarithmic scale. For the last two types, it's better for us to use curves to get better view than a straight basic trend line. Here is our problem. How should we know which one would be the right major trend of our chart? The answer of this question is behind the historical behavior of previous trends of our chart. Most of them will repeat the same manner over and over again. So if we study their behavior in previous major bullish and bearish movements, we can understand which type is more likely to be this chart manner in the future. Now let's see some examples of major trend lines in different charts. video has come to its end. Don't miss our last part in the next video. We will put all of what we've learned together to analyze technically what we are going to trade. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share this video with anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.